Hello everyone. We all know about the three-phase locomotive, but do you know how is it built? Three-phase locomotive WAG9 and WAP7 were brought from Switzerland as technology transfer in 1995. Later, WAP7 was built by Indian Railways in 2000. In this video, Railway Junction will present the manufacturing of three-phase locomotive in graphical format. Main segments of a three-phase locomotives are roof, driver's cab, machine room, underframe, and bogie. First, we will talk about the bogie assembly. Bull gear and wheels are fitted in the axle first. Later, MSU and gear arrangement is added. Individual motor is mounted on each axle and later the whole fabricated axle is fitted in bogie frame. Braking arrangement, axle box, sandbox, dampers, springs, and traction rod are fitted after that. The fully motorized bogie now awaits underframe for connection. WAG9 and WAP7 are in Coco configuration, whereas WAP5 is in Bobo formation. Apart from the configuration, the main difference in the bogies are the mounting arrangement of the traction motors. WAG9 and WAP7 uses axle suspended motors, whereas WAP5 uses no suspended motor, enabling higher speed. Coming to the underframe assembly, it all starts with the fabrication of central underframe. Bolster is also prepared separately and then infill plates are added. At the end, center seal is added, which will be later used for power cable layout. In parallel, headstock is prepared separately to get assembled with the bolsters. Headstock is added into the underframe and side seals are fabricated to incorporate the sidewalls. Now, when the base of the underframe is ready, now the driver's cabs are added to the underframe, followed by the sidewalls. Lastly, the roofs are mounted. Roof mounted equipment such as pantograph, VCB, surge arresters are installed after this phase. Recently, prefabricated shells are also procured to meet the manufacturing demands in production units. Work is started parallelly to the driver's cab. Center buffer couplers, side buffers, and cattle guard are also added in the main underframe assembly. Now it is time for the machine room installation. First, the transformer is installed, followed by traction converter, auxiliary converter, VCU, and SB panel. The last three components are part of the propulsion system. Before mounting of these components, power cable and control cable layout is also done. Now it is time for the auxiliary components such as HP panel, machine room blower, and oil cooling blowers. Then the brake panel along with the auxiliary compressor is mounted. Currently, brake panel gets mounted in piping phase itself during shell manufacturing. Lastly, TM blowers and filter cubicles are added. Fully assembled underframe is lifted and fitted on the pre-assembled motorized bogies to have final assembly of the locomotive. Machine room of the three-phase locomotive is almost mirrored to each other if traveled from one cab to the another. This is how a fully assembled three-phase locomotive is manufactured. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos about railways.